Spread. Keep rolling. Spread.
Don't jump.
Yung mark, guys. Yung mark. Mark on the north.
Nagka-clump
Mark
kayo
on the
sa
right.
tree na yan. Nagka-clump kayo sa tree na yan. Spread
Yung mark on the north.
Spread, have engage.
Oh, yung mark on the
Sanake, guys. Sanake.
Mark on the north.
Okay.
Keep rolling. Yung mark on the north, guys. Yung mark.
Yeah.
Spread.
Fuck.
Oy, wag lumayo kasi sa tornado. May damage yan.
Kill this, Mike.
Kill this mark. Ay.
You know it's on.
Keep rolling.
Oh,
Yung mark. Poking ina. Yung mark, guys.
May
Yung
mga
mark.
ikayo.
Yeah.
Meron.
Ready? In 3, 2, 1.
yun.
Ba't wala naman lagi?
Ba't pinatak? Girl!
Down mark.
Heal.
Another mark. Keep rolling.
Press, they're looking.
Another mark.
Para matapos na.
Spread. Yung nakamark.
Nice one. Holy.
Nice.
Spread again.
Lagi nag-clump din kayo, huy.
Yeah, spread.
Yeah,
On the mark.
Gayas you. Yung isa pang healer. Gayas you.
Skill that
On the mark.
Get
On the mark.
Gayas you.
Gay as you.
Man on me.
Yeah.
May kayo. Eh, di
Meron.
Lokan Gcash siya. In 3, 2, 1.
Nice
Mark,
one.
Mark,
Ryu.
Nice, guys.
Ubus sila.
Fuck you, Castro.
Fuck you, dogs, bro.
Gago
Fuck you,
kayo.
Castro. Huh?
One more running.
You're so
Akor.
Kill this.
May boots ka.
Wala to eh.
Shit,
Overweight ako.
Wala kang boots
Oh, watch
to
out.
eh.
Uy, may ano. Gago, mandito pa sila.
Keep pinging.
Patayin nyo.
Gucci to.
Ilan ba nawala? Ilan ba casualties? Si Shambo lang ba? Nako, sorry.
Si Otan.
Dalawa.
Yung healer natin.
Uy, boys,
Let's fucking go.
Boys,
Let's
go.
go.
Late yung seller.
Inil ko si Morg eh.
God, we're almost dead, bro.
Oh,
I'm trying to
Ako din eh. Ilang beses akong nalo.
I'm so fucking scary, you know? My HP, 1%, you know?
Buti may root bond dun ah.
Wala eh.
Gago,
May
buti
utang ka sa akin,
meron.
Morg. Binuhay kita.
Well played.
Walang namatay.
Thank you.
Sa atin.
May namatay si ano?
Namatay. Dalawa.
May
Hindi
namatay
na
sa
yan.
original party natin.
Let's go.
Come back,
May 3M yung set ko.
Go back, Terry.
Sige, mamaya bibigyan kita ng
Go back, Terry. Yo, go back, Terry.
300k.
Sa
Layo nyo na yung seller.